Google is now focusing on websites that are fast and efficient, and there are many reasons for that. Now, what you should be asking yourself is your website fast enough for Google? Hey there, glad to have you here. Today we continue this series, and today we're going to talk about speed and efficiency in websites and why that's important. Actually, it's vital for user experience. It can affect your business, your products and services, and obviously the way you rank on Google. If you've been working with SEO for as long as I have, which is around 7 years, you probably already know that Google doesn't care about you. And honestly, that's okay, because providing a poor experience is messing with Google's business, which is not to satisfy you, but to satisfy its users. So doing SEO for Google is to satisfy your customers who are also Google's customers. So there's a conflict of interest. Google would absolutely love you if you use it as a base to showcase your business and your products and services correctly. However, if your site has a problem or loads too slow, the user might close the window, close the browser, and that's a problem for Google. And if you cause that with your website's soul will be taken through the 36 chambers of death. Now, what's interesting about this is that you shouldn't focus on satisfying Google as an entity at all. You should focus instead on satisfying your customers. Your business is there to satisfy your customers, thus you must optimize for discoverability of your website, ease of navigation, visibility, accessibility, and more, also known as UI/UX design. And I've always found something very funny. A lot of developers I've met throughout my career as a content writer never seem to get the fact that to build good websites, you must know a little bit about SEO. At least you should know about the existence of Core Web Vitals, Page Speed Insights, Lighthouse, and Google Search Console. Simply think of these tools as the tools that will help you optimize your website for efficiency, speed, and traffic. Also, this applies to any type of website, whether you develop it yourself or someone else develops it for you, or you use a CMS like WordPress or Shopify, any method you use to create a website. Now let's check out a few steps and tips that can help you and that you can take today to increase your website's efficiency and speed. And the first one is to run a speed check on your site. Start using Google Page Speed Insights or use Lighthouse in Chrome DevTools to get a sense of where you stand. These tools can help you spot different issues and give you a game plan for improvements. The second tip or step is to optimize your images. Compress and resize your images to ensure they load quickly, use next-gen formats for better performance, and enable lazy loading to make your site feel faster. The third tip is to improve server response time. And in this case, you're gonna have to consider upgrading your hosting to the best one available to you or using a CDN. This helps reduce load times by serving your site from servers closer to your users. You can also compress files for faster loading, minify your CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Tip number 5 is to remove any unnecessary scripts and plugins to reduce bloat and improve loading speeds. Regularly monitor your Core Web Vitals with tools like Google Search Console to stay ahead of any issues that could impact your website's performance. And of course, finally, make sure that you stay updated and keep learning about how to build better websites. Make speed a priority within your team and keep up with the latest best practices and SEO trends to maintain a fast, efficient website. The main goal of these practices is to keep things practical and lightweight and faster. That's why the minimalistic design trend has been growing steadily for years. The key is to balance aesthetics with performance to create a fast, user-friendly website. And finally, there's an aspect that we haven't even mentioned yet, which is mobile-friendly website design. And you must ensure your website is mobile-friendly because Google has been caring about that for a while. They care about indexing websites that are mobile-friendly first, so you should definitely do that for your website. And that's it for today. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to get more videos about marketing, SEO, and AI. Until next time.